Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how is your life? Before starting my presentation today, let me introduce myself. I am Nuvis Melodiana and I'm from Lampung, Indonesia. In this presentation, I'm going to share to you about phonics. There are 4 things that I want to tell you. First, I want to share you about the definition of phonics. Then, the second, explanation about the research result related to phonics. And the third, about explanation about the power of phonics. And the last is explanation about the help of phonics knowledge to teacher. Okay, for the first time, I would like to start my presentation about the definition of phonics. Do you know that phonics is a way of teaching children how to read and write? It helps children hear, identify, and use different sounds that distinguish one word from another in English language. Phonics involves matching the sound of spoken English with individual letters or group of letters. By remembering the sound of the letter, we can combine each sound of the letters so that it becomes a word. Here are the sound of the letter in the alphabet. The letter A has the sound like the first sound heard on the word apple. The letter B has a sound B, like first sound heard on the word bag. The letter C has a K sound, like the first sound heard on the word cat. And this is my recommendation to learn phonics with Sing a Song from Badanamu. And the second, this is about the research result related to phonics. The sums of research show that explicit teaching children the relationship between sound and letter improve reading achievement. Dr. Melvin Grant and Jane Sterling-Cole conducted the research about phonics for children. They found that learning phonics make faster progress in acquiring skills such as reading and writing, and by the age of 6 months, children already have about 6,000 words, and that listening and speaking in a phonics learn to read and write this and many more words at a higher rate faster than they would without phonics. And the third, this is about the power of phonics. There are 3 powers of phonics. The first one is to develop reading fluency, and the second one is to develop reading comprehension, and the third one is to develop phonemic awareness. Phonics will help the children to read fluently. Children will be able to understand the code which represent themselves and sound of spoken language. By being familiar with children will be able to develop their reading skill, because the easily recognized familiar words help children to develop their reading comprehension. And last, I want to explain about the help of phonics knowledge teacher. This research has been developed to help teachers gain deeper insight into teaching of phonics. It offers advice on why and how to teach phonics and provide a range of teaching and learning strategies to develop student phonics knowledge and skill. In simple terms, phonics involves knowing the connection between print letter and speech sound. For example, students show their phonics knowledge when they are asked to point to the letter A and provide it the sound it makes. Phonics instruction involves teaching students to know the relationship between letter and sound and how to use this knowledge to recognize word and reading and to spell word and writing. Phonics not only help a child to be able to read English word, but also help a child tongue trained to pronounce English word with a more correct pronunciation. Okay everyone, I would like to finish up by saying thank you for your time and your attention to listen my presentation. I hope what I have shared will be beneficial for all of us. See you on top. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.